Do you have zucchini at home and want a healthy snack that's crispy, garlicky, and incredibly delicious? Today I'll show you how to make crispy zucchini garlic bites, soft inside, golden on the outside, and packed with flavor. They're baked, not fried, easy to make, and perfect for a healthy snack or appetizer. Let's get started. Welcome back to Eat Clean Daily, where we make simple, healthy recipes that taste amazing. Today's recipe is perfect if you want something low-carb, comforting, and satisfying. These zucchini garlic balls are one of those recipes that disappear quickly because everyone keeps reaching for just one more. The outside becomes golden and slightly crispy, while the inside stays soft, cheesy, and to make them crispy again, simply warm them in the oven for a few minutes. These zucchini garlic bites are simple, healthy, and incredibly satisfying. They prove that healthy food doesn't have to be boring. With just a few ingredients, you can create a snack that's crispy, flavorful, and perfect any time of day. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like this video and subscribe to Eat Clean Daily for more easy, healthy recipes. And tell me in the comments, would you dip these zucchini bites in ranch, hummus, or marinara sauce? I'd love to hear your favorite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.